She then provides formative assessment and edits before a specific deadline. Google Docs is a synchronous collaboration tool that allows Mrs. Smith to use the chat function available to both students and educators for editing purposes. The chat feature allows Mrs. Smith to set up a meeting with her student to review and edit work simultaneously. This can avoid confusion and frustration by her students, as they are able to ask her questions using the comment feature about their assignment. Similar to what we previously discussed, this synchronous and asynchronous formative feedback allows the instructor to learn new ways to communicate and interact with students on a feedback level that could have never been reached so easily in the past. These interactions improve social competencies such as online etiquette, how to give and receive revision feedback online, and how to properly discuss revision processes online.
Feedback for formative assessment. Google Docs provides the affordance of asynchronous collaboration for formative feedback. Mrs. Smith is able to create and organize multiple documents, example, multiple student papers, to be organized neatly under a single account, and to be shared with predetermined groups of students or instructors. Within the shared document, Mrs. Smith is then able to provide the student with a summative commentary along with a rubric. The commentary and/or rubric will provide the student with the information that met the learning criteria or the information that was missed. As the document is shared between her and her students, the students are able to access the document online, read the feedback, and type questions or clarification on next steps in the assignment or continuing assignment. Overall, Google Docs can provide extremely useful tools for educators. As a university professor, Mrs. Smith can use several features of Google Docs in an online or physical classroom. Google Docs is a teaching and learning platform that is used synchronously and asynchronously to access information, share files, and collaborate. Google Docs can provide a great means for feedback in collaboration at minimal or no cost to the users. As an educator, the many functions and options that Google Docs provides for Mrs. Smith and her students expresses the many opportunities for learning both technological competencies as well as social competencies. A Web 2.0 software, such as Google Docs, expresses the importance of overall technical competency in a 21st century classroom.
Created using Powtoon.